Assuming you want to select text separately from objects in your document or file you have been designing in CorelDRAW. This is how we go about it. Assuming this is the text you want to separate from all these objects, first thing you do, you ungroup them by right clicking, ungroup all. Now you see it, or you check it on the menu bar and the properties bar, you can see it there. So the next thing you do, you come to edit menu, then you check select all. What do you want to select? Which is the text? Select text. You click on text. Can you see it? It will select all the text. Okay, this has been curved. These are already curved. So let's see. Let me check this. So, let me type another text. Let's assume these are the tests we have. I want to select only the text in CorelDRAW. So you come to the text edit menu, select all, then click on text. Can you see it has been selected? To confirm if it's all the tests that have been selected, you right click and delete. Can you see this how it works? So if you want to group these tests or you want to page them up, so don't come to that. So can I click and group only the tests? So this is how it works. And if it's only the object you want to select, you come to edit, select all objects. Can you see it? All the objects are selected. Then you are good to go. So this is how it works. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring videos like this. Thanks for watching.